Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. We're gonna be doing a synthetic unit today. So this unit was sent to me from SamsBeauty, so thank you to them. So this is gonna be a unit that has been sold out for forever, and I finally got my hands on it thanks to SamsBeauty. So I want to see like what this unit is gonna be given. So this is gonna be Sensationnel's Butta Lace unit in number 13. Like, this is going to be the unit up close. So this is going to be the box up close. And y'all know this unit was sold out. Everybody and their mama done already reviewed this unit. So this is going to be the stock card up close. It is the Balayage Hazelnut that I did get. I want to say, oh, the model is wearing Balayage Gold. So I did get Balayage Hazelnut, and then it is heat safe up to 300 to 400 degrees. And then on the inside, it is showing you the different colors that they do have. And then of course it has the HD lace. So let's go ahead and take this unit out. Okay, so this is going to be the unit. I love the color transition. This brown color is a smidget on the shiny side, just a little bit, but it kind of gives like a natural luster, but it is just a smidget on the shiny side. So you are going to get two combs that are going to be on top. You do have that parting space, and I know it comes with a little frontal kind of illusion part. And then in the back it has the comb with the adjustable straps. So with this Butta Lace, you really don't get too much lace in the front. All of them not like that, are they? I feel like usually you get like more lace than this, but okay, I guess we just gonna see what it's given. It does have baby hairs over here on the side. They're very, very wispy. So let's try this unit on. So your parting space is going to be over here on the right side. And there we go. Let's see. And I do like how far the parting space goes back. The hair off rip. Ooh, girl. Oh, no wonder. Okay. So yeah, let's pull that down a little bit. Okay, so as you can see over here, it's not, Butta Lace usually be like on the hairline part, you can't tell them nothing, but let's see. Okay, maybe it's me. Let's pull out those baby hairs. Okay, so maybe it's me because it looks a little bit better. Looks a little bit better. But this, okay, I see why the girls is going crazy over Miss Butta 13. Oh, she is giving. Girl, I already know, like, period. Already know it's giving. Then it has like the little baby hairs on top. So I'm gonna have to put my cap back just a little bit. Oh, so baby, this color, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Wow. And you see towards right here, it already kind of lays flat. It just needs to lay down like right here in that little part right there. Other than that, ooh, Baby, Miss Butta is hitting. I see why everybody going crazy on Miss Butta. Oh, Miss Butta is pretty, and I ain't even cut the lace. Oh, I guess y'all already know, like, y'all already know this wig is what it is. Oh, Butta, Butta, Butta. Oh my God. So as far as shedding, I am only getting a couple of strands. So I got 2 right here. Not too bad. It's not too bad, not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on the lace, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. So I'm gonna be using a CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the shade 76 Tawny. And then I am going to be using my eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. So this is how the unit looks on. I feel like it is fitting good on the head. So as you can see, you don't have to glue this unit down, because right here towards the top, it's kind of staying down good. The lace is soft lace, so it is kind of rolling back just a little bit, but it's not, so I fixed it, so it's not bad. Now I'm just going to put baby hairs just like right here and right here, because you don't need much, and I don't want a lot of baby hairs either. So I'm going to be taking my edge fixer. I want to see how this works. This is going to be like my 3rd time, no, maybe 2nd time using this. One thing I can say about this unit, as far as the tangling part go, you can most definitely tell it's gonna be in the nape area. It's not too much hair on this unit, but you can feel like the neck is gonna be like where it's tangling at, because it is tangling up just a little bit, and y'all can see I'm just putting it on and fixing it up right now. So just imagine walking around and stuff. But so far that's the only thing, and then I am getting some shedding, but hopefully that don't keep going on and on. But look how flat this unit is. This unit is really flat, and y'all see I just flattened out the top only. Oh, this is giving. This is mine, okay? This is really, really, really cute. So I got some dry shampoo. Let me see if it's right here. So I'm gonna use this dry shampoo to see if it helps. This dry shampoo really ain't worth nothing. Like, I'm about to spray it on here for no reason, I bet. But just to see if it'll dim down that shine a little bit. I think I shake it up, right? Yeah, shake well 6 to 8 inches away from here. It says Instantly absorbs oil with no visible residue. Girl, this thing lies straight as you put it on. Let me see. Let's go first. Okay, so y'all already know how I feel. Baby, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am still getting like some shedding. But she's still gorgeous. This is a gorgeous unit. Like I said, it lays flat out of the package except for right here in that little spot. As you can see, like how it's laying and everything just looks like a silk press, like a wrap. Look like a wrap. And then how they have it going down like this. I love it. Like it's not in my it's in my face, but it's not like, you know how you get annoyed if you have bangs or something going on. It's not like that. It's just, it's so pretty. And then the curl, how the curls just wrap around each other. I freaking love it. And I feel like the highlight is not too much, and you can kind of play with your hair to get the highlight to kind of show. You see how just peeking through is not really too much. So if you want to get in the color, like this is a gorgeous color to get into. And then you see how if you flip it over, how the gold just shows. Like this is a gorgeous unit. I can't believe this unit been out, sold out, and been out. Like it's been out a long time, and I've never got my hands on it. And now that I do, like it's so freaking pretty. I see why it's been sold out. Gorgeous, gorgeous unit. And you know, everybody in their mama done already reviewed this wig. I'm the last one. So y'all already know I love it. It's big head friendly. It's not as plucked as they used to be, but it's still doable, still look nice. So I will leave the link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. And you see I didn't apply any powder in there. I guess I can apply some powder or foundation. Let me go ahead and do that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. It's pretty, huh? I forgot to even apply powder.